Hey, welcome to Random Shoki. Today I'm going to show you how to install Elementary OS on your system. So, let's get started. First thing, I'm going to show you the system specifications I'm using. I have a Ryzen 5 3550H CPU and have around 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and it has a Radeon RX 560X GPU. Yes, it's a laptop. It's an Asus TUF FX505DY. So enough with the specifications. So I'm going to show you the files required to be downloaded to install Elementary OS on your system. So open up Chrome and search for Elementary OS. Open the first link that pops up. There you will be presented with options. Either you can donate them or you can go to the custom option and type 0. You'll be able to download Elementary OS ISO from here. After that, to mount the ISO to a flash drive, you're gonna need Rufus. So open a tab and start downloading it. It's around 1 or 2 megabytes. That's it. So yeah, open up the first link. So this is the one which I've downloaded. So that's that. So I'm gonna close it. I'm going to open the directories where I've downloaded the files. So I'm going to open it up. So here you can see I have the Elementary OS ISO and Rufus here. So yeah, I'm gonna just take a 16 gig flash drive. Even 8 gigs is enough. So I'm gonna open that up and pop that in. So as you can see, there's a 16 gig flash drive. So I'm gonna open up Rufus and you can see that it's being detected here. So there it is. So now I'm gonna browse the folder where the Elementary OS ISO is there and select it. So just click on start, keep everything default. So I'm gonna keep it at the recommended settings. So yeah, okay, and just continue along with that. Actually fast forwarded it. So yeah, so you're gonna need a partition of unallocated space to install Elementary OS. So I'm just gonna open up disk part. And here I'm gonna partition one of my hard drives. So I'm gonna shrink it around 50 gigs or 48, I don't know. So I'm gonna shrink it. It's gonna take some time. So there's a unallocated space. So I'm gonna close it and restart it now. So here in the BIOS menu, you're gonna need to disable secure boot. So go to security and disable it because it's gonna cause some trouble. And yeah, if you go through any hurdles while going through, I'll mention a few things you might go through in the installation process. They'll be mentioned in the description below. So I'm gonna go open up boot menu and choose the flash drive. I had Elementary OS installed previously, so the boot partition is already available, but I'm gonna ignore that. So here we'll be booting into the Elementary OS installer. So here you can either try Elementary OS as a live USB or you can install it. I'm gonna choose install it, and I'll set the keyboard layout to be normal, and here I'm gonna choose a low third-party installation because they are necessary for your GPU drivers. So you have 3 to 4 options here. I'm gonna choose something else because I don't have storage in my SSD. So here you're gonna scroll down and search for the free space, and there's the drive. So I'm gonna just add it, so no need to change anything here. It will be formatted to ext4, and then yeah, you're gonna choose mount point as slash because that's where all your, what is that, all your OS will be stored on. Yeah, that's it. It's a root folder. So yeah, just install, click on OK on the warning device. So make sure selected the drive which you are allocated, and choose your time zone. That's that. Give it an username and password. If you have used macOS, it's similar, I presume. I haven't used one, so yeah. So after giving all this, I'm gonna log in automatically and click enter. That's it. So it takes around 10-20 minutes to install depending on your hard drive speed and your USB, and after that you're gonna restart it. I chose my boot priority to Windows, so I have to do this every time I do that. You can change that up. So go to boot menu and open it. It will be named as Ubuntu, don't be worried. So here, open Elementary OS. That's it. You have logged in. Yeah, I did skip the initialization part. It's gonna take some time. It's a hard drive. So I'll just be recording it from the internal. So yeah. I'll just switch now. Yeah. So you can see everything is fine and installed. Sometimes you will not find the Wi-Fi, so I did upload a text file which has the necessary commands to get the Wi-Fi drivers. So that's that. So you can see everything being here. So this is actually the Wi-Fi text. So yeah, it's lagging because I should optimize a few things that I haven't even updated. See, there are 22 updates remaining. I'm just going to change the wallpaper. So that's that. So here it is, Elementary OS on your laptop. It's done, or your system. It's all done. So thank you for watching, and hope you don't have any doubts and I've clarified it all. And if you have any, it will be mentioned in the description box below. Means the ones which I have solved. Other than that, you can post it in your comments. Thank you.